One new exciting way people are using the cloud and data is for citizen science projects. Citizen science gives everyday people, often with no more than just a digital camera and a cell phone, the opportunity to make important contributions to science. At the forefront of this new community movement is the non-profit platform iNaturalist. An upcoming episode of AWS show The Big Idea highlights how scientists at the LA County Natural History Museum are using iNaturalist to derive new insights into the natural world. I hope you like insects and lizards, because here they come.
An upcoming episode of the AWS show The Big Idea highlights how scientists at the Los Angeles Natural History Museum are using the non-profit community science platform iNaturalist to gain new insights into the natural world.
It's definitely a good spot.
Greg Pawley is a herpetologist studying reptiles in urban environments.
iNaturalist, it's really sort of a social media platform in many ways, but it's a platform that allows people to upload photographs of organisms that they see. Oh, got one. If I hold it, you want to get a photo, Glenn, that you can upload to iNat?
Oh, okay.
These photos are then crowdsourced for identification and used for scientific research. Pawley says in an era of climate change, there is a huge need for new sources of data.
You know, the reality is that we're in a mass extinction event. How do we deal with this global biodiversity crisis? Well, we increase the amount of data that's out there to address these questions. As we think about trying to conserve species, the first thing you need to understand is where do these things occur now and where did they occur in the past? We have literally millions of specimens that document where species were found in the past. And what we now need is lots of data that tell us where species are found today so we can look at how ranges are shifting through time. The question is, how do you go about getting, tons of data on where species are found today? And one of the exciting things that's really happened in sort of the last 10 to 15 years is that the opportunity to get those sorts of data has changed dramatically as a result of what people often call community science or call citizen science. There are currently tens of thousands of people all around the world on iNaturalist, contributing observations, making identifications, something on the order of 85 million species occurrence records. This huge data set that's allowing us to do statistical analyses that no individual researcher would have ever even been able to come close to creating a data set like this.
Having so many eyes on the natural world has also had more immediate effects, like helping discover this non-native South African mantis, which had never been seen in the United States until a young entomologist spotted it in her backyard.
It was a mix of emotions. Bad because it's an invasive species, good because I was the one who discovered it. And then it was like, oh, cool.
Lisa Gonzalez, an entomologist at the Natural History Museum, points out that the benefits of iNaturalist aren't only for research.
Oftentimes people get started looking at things that are larger and things that are easier to spot. And then they slowly start to notice all of the little smaller stuff kind of in the cracks and in the bushes. And their whole perspective just kind of gets blown open that there's this little miniature safari going on in even just a tiny space in their yard. I think it's a way to sort of interact with technology that's actually really beneficial. We have so many distractions. Phones being one thing, but here's one way where we could actually use something that normally is distracting us from the natural world and get us to go back outside, go outdoors, and engage with it.
It's a reason to be optimistic. Like, you can amass thousands of observations of where species are found in the present, and those observations are going to outlive us. As long as there's sort of an internet, a digital framework out there, those observations are going to continue on. And scientists of the future, conservation biologists of the future, landscape managers of the future, they're all going to be able to use those observations for questions that, we today probably can't even imagine.
Wow, I will never look at anyone's backyard, city park, or patch of earth the same. And I love that everyone can participate and that we can all contribute something to our base of knowledge. Very cool stuff indeed. Thanks for watching Live from reInvent.